Hello students, following question is from part test 1 subject mathematics chapter calculus and the question is asked for 2 marks. The question we have said that in the interval, that is a closed interval 0 to pi by 2, which of the following option is correct? That is option A, 2 times sin x plus 10x is always greater than equal to 3x. Option B is 2 times sin x plus 10x is always less than equal to 3x. Option C is at some point 2 times sin x plus 10x will be greater than equal to 3x, and at other points 2 times sin x plus 10x would be less than equal to 3x. And option D is we cannot say anything regarding this. So let us solve the problem. So let us consider our f of x is equal to 2 times sin x plus 10x minus 3x. So first of all we will compute the first derivative of it, that is f dash of x, which would be equal to 2 times cos x plus sec square x minus 3. Now we again compute the derivative of the first derivative, that is computing the second order derivative of the given function. So which would be equal to minus 2 sin x plus 2 sec x into 10x. This equation can be rewritten as 2 times sin x into sec cube x minus 1. Since 10x can be written as sin x divided by cos x, whereas this cos x is nothing but 1 over sec x, or 1 over cos x is sec x. Hence we get sin x into sec x. Fine. So now in the interval, in this given interval 0 to pi by 2, my sec x is always greater than equal to 1 and my sin x is also always greater than equal to 0. So I can say that my f double dash of x is always greater than 0. This means that my f dash of x is an increasing function. This indicates that my f dash of x is always greater than equal to f dash of 0, since x is taking value which is within the range of 0 to pi by 2 and f dash of x is an increasing function. And now we would compute f dash of 0. So putting 0 x equal to 0 in f dash of x equation, we would get f dash of 0 equal to 0. So therefore we can say that f dash of 0 is always equal to 0, that is f dash of x is always greater than equal to 0. Hence we can say that my f of x is also an increasing function, which gives us the relation that f of x is always greater than equal to f of 0, and f of 0 is 0 solving this equation. So therefore we can say that f of x is always greater than equal to 0. So again substituting the value of f of x, we get that 2 times sin x plus 10x minus 3x is always greater than equal to 0. That is, hence we can say that 2 times sin x plus 10x is always greater than equal to 3x. That is, my option A is the correct option. Thank you.